Okay, sometimes, you know, you do just have to give up if something isn't working. You know, it's probably a wrong combination of colours. I was just using leftover paint. So what I did was I scraped the base and I just flooded it with white again. But there's some nice, quite nice effects. I did tilt it quite severely again. I over torched here, can you see? Rookie mistake. However, I love this flash here. And what I'm going to do, well, you can see I've drawn a tree. I've got to get away from these winter landscapes, but this is the last one. I've got to get on to more of a spring summer vibe. So as I said, this was just a test for larger pieces, and it's a case of making something of it. Even though this hasn't really worked, then, you know, drawing over the top takes the focus away from bad bits. Doesn't always go to plan. Quick time lapse. Hello, back with the dried results. What started as an experiment went wrong, which is normally the way with me, really. Done some work over the top and really pleased, actually. There's just flashes of like a lime green coming through here, which is just really nice. The silver and the DYNA, what number is that? 360, should know that off by heart, I use it such a lot. Yeah. But I think this is the last of the winter landscapes. I have a good collection now, and I will be moving on. But I've learnt, actually, not to say too much on YouTube, because things always change, don't they? Ideas come and go. What seems like a good idea one minute, the next day isn't. Thanks for watching, guys, and thank you so much for all your lovely comments and all your support. Do you know what? It really does mean a great deal. Bye.